everyone, welcome back to Fondant Diary with Miss Ellie. Today I will share how to decorate a half birthday fondant cake for baby girl. Before we begin, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will continue to share another interesting fondant tutorial. Without further ado, here is the half birthday fondant cake tutorial. First, prepare the half cake. Roll out light brown fondant and cut straight one side. Then cover the cake. Next, roll out pink fondant, cut straight one side, measure the height of the cake. Next, roll out white fondant, brush water to stick, cut straight one side, shape the edges of the fondant with this tool. Trim the edges. This fondant to make fondant cream between layers of cake. Foam winding fondants. Brush with water. Then stick it. Next, I make a fondant ladder. I use a printed mat to give a wood motif. Make two lines wider than the other lines. Cut flat the top and the bottom of the ladder. Brush with water. And stick it. Dry the fondant ladder. Next, I make the crown. I make a mark line. Stick the two ends together. Give tissue to hold its shape. Bend out the tip of the crown a little. And dry the fondant crown. Next, I make the bears. I make one bear in a sleeping position. and this bear in standing position. And now I make the bear's heads. And these are for the ears. I make small flowers for the ears. Now I will decorate the crown with this mat. I make little heart shapes and stick them to the crown. Now I make fondant numbers 1 and 2. I insert a toothpick to hold the head of the bear. And this is for the banner string. Now I'll make letters for the name on the banner. Now I will stick the leather. Here it is, a half birthday fondant cake for a baby girl. Do you like it?
Thank
Thank you all for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment because I will reply to your comment. I will answer your question if I can.